Hey you, this is me, A.D. Ross with Novi Outdoors. It's a pleasure having you here today. I just wanted to touch base with you guys and on a little topic that I was thinking about with these YouTube's shorts, these new things that came out. I guess it's like a short form of content that's in direct rivalry and competition with the TikToks out there. So I don't know if you've been on to those, but I've been experimenting a little bit. If you've been following the channel for a little bit, I've been throwing up some of these shorts just to see how that works. But I came up with an idea, and I think what I'm going to start doing is posting catch logs on these shorts. Kind of what I'm throwing, what I'm doing on some of the stuff that I'm fishing with, so you can kind of get an idea as to what Navi's catching and how he's catching it. So you can take that to the bank and put it in your toolbox or tackle box rather, to see if it works for you. So if you're interested in seeing some of these shorts, leave me a comment down there in the comments below. I'd like your feedback on it. I value your feedback, so I'd love to hear from y'all. But if you like the contents of this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you ain't subscribed yet, well, now might be the time to consider. But other than that, that's all I got for you today. I hope you take care and God bless, because Navi is out.